So like in this notebook, I merged the data from our Xenocanta file, just just split it, and then we got the um, and I created the Xenocanta folder. So we have the
Okay.
original Xenocanta CSV file right here, and we have the pre-processed. So like that's the file name, and I added up the latitude, longitude, and elevation. And the main idea is because we have all these metrics, not metrics, features, in other files, because I'm going
In the
to
other files, right?
update them. Yeah, so like,
Okay.
and basically, probably it will be interesting, probably to make any kind of comparison, or probably see like is any, let's say, coloration. Probably not, because that's from different areas, including Europe or like Central
Right,
Asia.
right.
Yeah, but still, probably it will be like maybe like we can see the elevation or something, some patterns. I don't know right now, to be honest, but
Right.
just the data gotta be the same format. That's the main idea.
Right. That's a good point. Did you add it to the to our data?
Not
The
yet.
longitude
So
and latitude? Okay.
okay, so that's the birth net field data. So like basically, see like all these files. That's the combined files for PSL1, right? So PSL2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like for the low elevation, that's for the mid elevation. And right now, like so that's the file. It's, yeah, it's mine. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? So I'm gonna do a kind of the same um code. So just um but in our
Like
case it's a
remove
little bit.
that and then add the
Yes,
longitude, latitude, and the
yes,
elevation. Okay.
yes. But in our, I'm also going to extract the data. You see right here,
I see. Yeah,
2024 or 520, and time. So it will be year, month, and day, and the time.
and time.
Yes. So like 7. So like you see, like that's different, right? So it's a little
Right.
bit, more, let's say, a little bit more tricky than the Xenocanto, but I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also going, okay, let's go to, and then I'm going to merge all of them, and based on our mm, location audio file, okay, I'm going, oops, why is not, 1 second. Anyway, so like, that's the Excel file. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay. So I'm going to update like the this information as well. So I just was kind of busy with all this BirdNet. I don't know, like it took me a while, and just
Yeah, the
like
BirdNet stuff
just
takes a while to like run.
yes, and also like just kind of let's say not standardize, but make data, our database, if we can say so, right? Like look neat and clean. So like even like OneDrive. So like just wanted to make sure like everything like we are doing like is in like in a proper way. And basically this weekend I'm going to do the code for all our data, like
Okay.
for the outermost, because I was trying to see like the mapping for video and audio, and also the Xenocant, because like just to make sure like we have the same data for field and the
Right.
training. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've done within these few days.
Right. Okay. No, that's great. Um, yeah, I have just more or less done more reading on BirdNet and stuff and like how that model works. But um, what was I gonna look at? Your The field data. Okay, this is what I wanted to know. I'm trying to, because the data that we have, so what's in the repo? Did you use the combined files?
Yes, right. The
Okay,
combined
okay,
files.
so
Only combined files, because that's
right,
what we
right,
need. And then
right,
I'm going to merge all of them, like a huge CSV file. I mean, it won't be huge, but huge
right,
like in terms of our project. So then I'm going to
right.
merge. I'm going to update with the columns latitude, longitude, and elevation, and also uh, daytime, like year, day, month, and time. So that will be helpful for us to run the training model and see like how's everything's going on. Yeah, and
Okay,
basically it will be also. I'm sorry that I just didn't finish. Like extracting these features could be also useful for our project because, as we know, we have kind of two tasks. One is to make the general observation on what is going on around, and another task is the classification of bass and call sounds um, in our uh, database, in our data. Yeah, please go
right,
ahead.
right. No, 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 I agree. No, what I was gonna ask is what do you want me to do this weekend? If you're, or do you want
Yeah,
me to,
so basically, upload audio files to our OneDrive
okay,
uh, and fill out the data for Xenocanto. That's it. It's gonna take a while,
okay.
actually. I was also thinking, but I don't know if it's the right idea to make it just because Xenocanto. Okay, let me see.
Does it give us the location data?
Yes, they do. I mean,
Okay,
I sent you the you can check out. Let's see the okay. Let me share it. Okay, perfect. So you see, like that's our chat, and then just like what that's what I yeah that's what I send it to you, and basically like and I send you like some print screens. So, but if we go to these um Hume's Warbler, so and we click right here. So basically, we have the latitude right here,
oh,
longitude,
okay, great, yeah, I can
longitude,
do that.
and yes, and elevation. Yes, please. I was
Okay,
I
great,
was
I can do that.
yes, I was kind of thinking like since we are extracting features as a date time from our field observations, and they also have like date time. Do you think
Okay,
this
great, yeah,
information will be useful or not?
yeah, yeah. Do you know what, yeah, I guess it doesn't matter where the time zone is because that's the time of day. Yeah, no, I think that is useful. If we're doing it, we want to keep it consistent anyway. Um,
Yes.
if you could let me know what format, right?
So okay, so the format like just it's gotta be so I can actually upgrade our CSV file. Like uh, so like we have the latitude so just basically let's say right now I don't really see how we can automate the process of filling out the information. So basically you just like kind of manually stuff that I don't like,
Yeah,
to be
no,
honest.
that makes sense. Yeah, I don't mind manually doing it.
Okay, so
I
let's say
mean, it's
like
only one thing, so
yeah, so like
I'll just
basically yeah, go ahead.
and time. No, no, no. I was saying I'll just go manually and do it. That's not a
Yeah,
big
so
deal.
like yeah, that's our file. Let's see like right here, right? So and like yeah, like that's one file. So you just go by the file name and fill out the latitude and you know what, latitude, longitude, elevation, and I'm going to upgrade the code after our meeting with computational experts, and I will adopt year, months, and time. I mean, actually, I can do it manually right now. Yes, but I
Yeah.
just wanted, I just wanted to make it in the code. Just, I mean, it's actually
Right.
it's quite simple. I can do it right now. One second. I can do it right now. So it's not that hard. It's the, okay. Yeah, I mean, I will do it later on. Just wait.
When I manually do this, do you want me to change it in the share in like the OneDrive and on GitHub?
So
Like finish it or fix it on OneDrive and upload it to GitHub?
basically, I would prefer the GitHub, to be honest.
Okay, so does it matter if it's consistent in OneDrive?
So our OneDrive is like a database, right? Because like we
Right.
basically we cannot upload, like right now we can't upload the audio files, which are very big. Yeah, so like we use it as our database. So and basically all
Okay,
this, like
okay.
let's say the code and everything, right? The code and everything is just gonna be in the GitHub repository. So it's like we can see like how is that's our files we are working with. So like
Right.
uh that's it. So we don't
Okay.
have to duplicate. Okay. You see wait, it's running. So it's good, yeah. So right now we have
Your month, daytime. Okay, perfect.
let me see. So yeah, so you see like right now we have year, month, day, and time. So perfect. Then I'm going okay,
For the time, what is the format that you want to use? Or what format is going to come out of the script that you're going to write for the other files?
the time, year, month, and day. So like that's
No, like
it.
the yeah, like your month day is just gonna it's an integer, right? But like the time, is it gonna be like military time? Like do you know what I mean? Like is it gonna be like if it was 7 o'clock,
Oh yeah, actually. So
would it be like
we
this or would it be
let's go 24 hours format,
okay,
guys.
so with the colon. Okay.
Yeah,
So like this.
not like
Okay.
7 a.m. like and 7 p.m. but 7 or like 14, 15. Because why?
Okay.
One second, I'm done. So this file is, yes, it's already in the repository, so we're good. Um, So why we are going 24 hours format? Because the data on Xenocanta is all around the world. And like I said, like in US, we do like AM, PM, right? But in the rest of the world, they don't really do that, you know.
Right, right.
So
No,
it
that makes sense. I mean the colon. Do you want like you know what I mean? Like do we want this or that? Do we want the
uh
colon in there? Is that gonna
just
be
just let's go by hours. Just hour, like seven, like just it doesn't matter like if it's like 7:25, we go just seven. Like let's say like
oh,
what
okay.
what 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 is like under the 7:30, it goes to 7. 7:31 to
Oh, okay.
8:29, it goes like by 8. Just go by hours. We don't need that exact time, I guess. I mean,
Ah, okay. What is the um what is the time on the file on our data?
now it's like 6, 7, 8, 9 a.m.
Oh,
That's it.
okay, okay. Oh, I see that now. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so then I'll just like, yeah, I'll round to the closest thing. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah. So probably that's it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So and I'm gonna write the code for like our all files, and probably it will be done. It's gonna be done this weekend, absolutely, because
Okay.
I have some time. Yes, and then we'll so when we've done that, we can do kind of EAG exploratory analysis and try to see the patterns what we have right now in our
Right. Okay.
field data and provide with the data to Pranov or like let's say Freeman. Yes. And meanwhile, I'm gonna ask some questions to our experts. So like we
Yeah.
have to cut the Xenocanta data, and also when we run through our field data, so like and we let's say classify some sounds, can we adapt those classified sounds to our trained data like and retrain? So basically, you just
Mhm.
getting the data from like unseen data, and then just like you pulling it back to our trained and just like retrain because you have like more samples. I
Right.
guess that's the right way, but anyway, we have to
No,
confirm.
that makes sense.
Okay, so we have 5 minutes. Let's just give it have a break, and I'll see
Yeah.
you in a few.
And the next, thank you so much. Sorry about the meeting mess up time.
Uh,
Yesterday was a
s-
little bit mess for
I'm
me.
sorry. I'm sorry. I was slammed with my job, so
No,
just
no,
I'm
it's
sorry.
fine. It's totally fine. Cool.
Okay.
Glad we can meet this morning though. Yeah. I'll see you in the next meeting.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.